today in a beautiful beach which is called Sa Coma, and now I'm going to show you a beautiful apartment. Hello, we are coming just now ready from the beautiful beach from Sa Coma, and we are now at this apartment which has got a wonderful view from the sea. It's amazing. As you can see, this is the beach, and this part is a natural park. So it will never be built anything. The views, as you can see, are marvelous, and we are ready now here at this nice terrace, which is very big as well. You have got the place for the eating, you have got a nice place for relaxing, even you can have here sunbeds if you like, with the beautiful beach, the view of the beach. This terrace has got here as well a little wash machine and dry machine room, which is very comfortable to put everything with the clothes. This is, by the way, it's a reformed apartment, which it has been reformed from last year, so nobody used this apartment. And as you can see, it's very nice, and everything is very happy with this beautiful view. This is the dining room and the part of living room together. It's an apartment ready and perfect for 2 persons. It has got as well a window here in this part. There is an air conditioner, which is hot and cold. This is a part of dining, the part of the TV to relax from the sofa, and we are now just looking here at the kitchen. Everything, as I told you, new. It's included. The refrigerator is new. Here it's new. This is electric, and something very special in this apartment. You can wash the dishes looking all this sea, fantastic and amazing view of this part of the kitchen. There is as well a wash machine for the dishes. It's very comfortable. Everything is very clear. But the way the floor, it's ceramic. It's like wood. It wants to be wood, very comfortable, but it isn't. You can wash it very comfortable with water. And this is going to be the part of the entrance of this apartment. We are, by the way, at the 4th floor of this building. Here we have got a little room for the boiler, and to put some products of the cleaning, for example. This is here the part of the bath, which it has got a nice shower. As I told you, very clear, new, perfect to come and to live tomorrow. Everything is ready. White walls, nice shower, very comfortable and bright, a nice size. And this is here a very nice bedroom, double one. This bedroom has got a wardrobe, has got air conditioner, and has got a very big terrace. is the terrace where you can see the view of the sea, and you can see all the pool of this community, which is very, very big. Here is living people, very calm. They like very, very peaceful life, enjoying the sea. This is the terrace of the bedroom. And I'm going now to show you the wardrobe of this room. This is here as well. You can see it's new, everything new. It goes alone. And here in front of the bedroom has got another wardrobe, another closet. It's very interesting to put more clothes if you need it. It's quite big again. And now we are going to go back from the entrance, going to the living room. This amazing view. We are just starting the February, so the February month is starting, and we have got such a wonderful temperature, a blue sky. Almost in Mallorca, we have got 300 days of sun. From this place, beautiful view, we want to say you thank you very much to come with us to visit this apartment. If you need more information, please tell us. It will be a pleasure for us. Thank you.